I mean, basically, we set the business up to be geothermal anywhere and everywhere. So I think that's when we say where are we looking to do this, that is really the starting point. And the approach of how we do this is really, it's not really in generally using a conventional approach. So we have got some proprietary solutions and different approaches to the way we can develop this. And one of the key areas we're focusing on is looking at the initial low-hanging fruit of reusing existing oil and gas wells, which obviously provide a great platform to use existing assets in an energy transition to provide clean energy. We've recently opened a business in the US with an office in Texas in Greentown Labs, which we have representation in now. And we are now in a number of project negotiations with different stakeholders, which really, oil and gas users or oil and gas operators, also, infrastructure buildings and the facilities, including sort of major airports and these types of installations, but also, large facilities like, hospitals and schools, buildings like infrastructure around large business parks and things like this, and really using that as a major offtake. So to get this energy structure working properly, you have to have major off-takers that can use the energy. And really the model is really to look at the use of heat primarily, with the ability to build electricity around that heat if needed. And obviously, as we all know from the geothermal space, there is a challenge to bringing electricity to the market, and people look at this and think temperatures are generally not ideal, but there are ways to make it commercial and are ways to make it attractive for a commercial model, and that's really where we're sort of applying our ability now. So this model, we want to make a McDonald's model effectively, so it's all around. It can be applied everywhere and anywhere. We have a solution to do that, and we have a game plan on what that means, i.e. scalability and modular package type solutions to actually make it a modular, scalable solution.